This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Great cul-de-sac location. Neutral colors, large room sizes. Flexible floor plan includes extra room at front of house that could be playroom or home office. Kitchen includes gas stove, microwave and dishwasher. Lots of closet space. Dual sinks and shower/tub combo and master bath. Walls recently painted as well as recent vinyl plank floors throughout. Bedroom carpet installed 10/20/21. Close to schools and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.